Once again, I welcome you all to fourth class on polar curves. So in the previous classes, we have discussed how to find angle between the radius vector and the tangent. Then how to find angle between the radius vector and the tangent, and also slope of the tangent. Those two types of problems we have discussed in our previous classes. In this class, I am going to consider problems on angle between pairs of curves. Here, first set of problems I am going to consider on show that given pairs of curves intersect orthogonally. Show that given curves, actually given pairs of curves, given curves intersect orthogonally. This is first set of problems I am going to consider orthogonally. So A, let us take one by one. A, r equal to a times of 1 plus cos theta, and r equal to b times of 1 minus cos theta. Solution. As I said already, angle between a pair of curves is defined to be angle between their tangents. I need to find the angle between the radius vector and the tangent of first curve, then angle between the radius vector and the tangent of the second curve. Then I have to check modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2. That will be angle between the given pairs of curves. If that difference is equal to pi by 2, then we say that given pair of curves intersect orthogonally. Additional conditions are to check orthogonal intersection of pairs of curves is tan phi 1 into tan phi 2 equal to minus 1, or equivalently you can use cot phi 1 into cot phi 2 equal to minus 1. So these two conditions you can use in addition to modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2 equal to pi by 2. Okay, so here first set of curves. So given r equal to a times of 1 plus cos theta and r equal to b times of 1 minus cos theta. Since we have minimum space here, I'll consider this r equal to a times of 1 plus cos theta first. Then I'll find phi 1. As usual, we need to take log on both sides, then differentiate with respect to x. Taking log on both sides, I'll consider only this curve, or else, okay, let us consider both the curves parallelly. So taking log on both sides of this curve, we'll get log r equal to log of a times of 1 plus cos theta, and here we'll get log r equal to log of b times of 1 minus cos theta. Now differentiating with respect to theta both sides, okay, before differentiating we need to simplify this expression further. It will be a bit easier, that's all. Log r equal to the right hand term I can write as log a plus log of 1 plus cos theta, and here log r equal to log b plus log of 1 minus cos theta. So now differentiating, it will be 1 by r into dr by d theta, 1 by r into dr by d theta equal to log a, differentiating you get 0, plus 1 by 1 plus cos theta into derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Okay, parallelly in this side, derivative of log r, that is 1 by r, into derivative of r with respect to theta, dr by d theta equal to log b, differentiating that you will get 0, plus log of 1 minus cos theta. If you differentiate it, 1 divided by 1 minus cos theta into derivative of minus cos theta, you get sin theta. Now This actually in the previous problems we have written that one as cot phi. Since we have two curves here, I'll write it as cot phi 1. Cot phi 1 equal to minus, see here you have sin theta. As I said in the previous classes, you have to use half angle formula. So this I can write as 2 times of sin of theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta, that is 2 cos square theta by 2. Similarly, this side cot phi 2 equal to 1 minus cos theta means 2 sin square of theta by 2 into, as usual, numerator 2 sin of theta by 2 into cos of theta by 2. Now 2 you can cancel, 1 cos term cancels with this, here also 2 cancel, 1 sin term cancels here, cot phi 1 equal to minus sin by cos alpha, so that is tan of theta by 2, and here cot phi 2 equal to cos by sin, that is cot of theta by 2. By the properties, I can write this as cot phi 1 equal to minus tan theta is same as cot of pi by 2 plus theta. So cot of pi by 2 plus theta by 2. And this one cot phi 2 equal to cot of theta by 2, just by comparison you get phi equal to theta by 2. Here phi 1 equal to pi by 2 plus theta by 2. Now if you take the angle of intersection is alpha equal to modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2, which implies alpha equal to phi 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ pi by 2 plus theta by 2 minus theta by 2. These two get cancelled, get alpha equal to pi by 2. Hence given pair of curves intersects के ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಜನರಲಿ, intersects x ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೇಲೆ s, intersects orthogonal. So that's about first problem. Next, B, r equal to a times of 1 plus sin theta and r equal to a times of 1 minus sin theta. So this problem will give as exercise. Okay, let us write it later. Next, r power n equal to a power n cosine theta and r power n equal to b power n sin n theta. Now solution, given r power n equal to a power n cosine theta and here r power n equal to b power n sin n theta. So taking log on both sides, you get log r power n. You can write that as n log r equal to log a power n plus log cos n theta. See, I am directly writing using the properties of logarithm. Here n log r equal to log b power n plus log of sin n theta. Now n log r you have, okay, I need to write one more step. log a power n, no problem. Since it is a power n itself constant, no need to worry about it. Differentiating with respect to theta, n into derivative of log r, that is 1 by r, into derivative of r with respect to theta, equal to a power n is constant, log a power n is also constant. Differentiating that, I will get 0, plus log of cos n theta, that is 1 by cos n theta, 1 by cos n theta, into sin n theta minus n sin n theta. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ cos n theta ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ sin n theta ಬರೋದು, ಇಂಟು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ sin n theta, you get n only, so minus n sin n theta. So here n by r into dr by d theta equal to what you get here, 0 plus log sin n theta alva, 1 by sin n theta into n into derivative of sin n theta, you get cos n theta. Now n cancel on both sides, here also n get cancel, so we remain with cot phi 1 equal to minus sin n theta by cos n theta ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, that is tan n theta. Similarly in this side, cot phi 2 equal to cot n theta. Now by using the properties of cot and tan, I can write this one as cot phi 1 equal to cot of pi by 2 plus n theta. And here comparing angles on both sides, phi 2 equal to n theta, and similarly here phi 1 equal to pi by 2 plus n theta. Now hence the angle of intersection, hence the angle of intersection is alpha equal to modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2, that is alpha equal to pi by 2 plus n theta minus n theta. N theta get cancelled, so we'll get alpha equal to pi by 2. So given pair of curves intersects orthogonally. Next, C r square sin 2 theta equal to a square, r square sin 2 theta equal to a square, and r square cos 2 theta equal to b square. R square cos 2 theta equal to b square. Solution. So here given r square sin 2 theta equal to a square and r square cos 2 theta equal to b square. Now taking log on both sides, you get log r square plus log sin 2 theta equal to log a square. Similarly here log r square plus log cos 2 theta equal to log b square. Now differentiating with respect to theta, what do we get? Log r square. So differentiating log r square, you get 1 by r square. So as r square may lead to confuse, write one more term from this. 2 log r plus log sin 2 theta equal to 2 log A. Similarly, 2 log R plus log cos 2 theta equal to 2 log B. Now differentiating with respect to theta. Differentiating with respect to theta. So 2 into derivative of log R, 1 by R, derivative of R with respect to theta, plus log sin 2 theta, differentiating will get 1 by sin 2 theta, into derivative of sin 2 theta, that is cos 2 theta, into derivative of 2 theta. So 2 cos 2 theta equal to 0, because log A is a constant. Here again 2 by R into dr by d theta plus log cos 2 theta, differentiating that we get 1 by cos 2 theta into minus 2 sin 2 theta equal to 0. So you can divide both sides by 2, and also here you can divide both sides by 2, and rewriting terms you will get, okay, first I'll write it as it is. Cot phi 1 plus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta antandre, that is cot 2 theta equal to 0, and this side cot phi 2 plus sin 2 theta by cos 2 theta, that is tan 2 theta, oh it is minus, right, minus tan 2 theta equal to 0. So from this we have cot phi 1 equal to minus cot 2 theta, and from this cot phi 2 equal to tan 2 theta. So this I can write as cot phi 1 equal to cot of theta, sorry, minus cot theta equal to cot of minus theta. So cot phi 2 equal to tan theta equal to cot of pi by 2 plus theta. So it will be cot of pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Now from this we got phi 1 equal to minus 2 theta and phi 2 equal to pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Hence the angle of intersection is alpha equal to modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2. So alpha equal to phi 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ minus 2 theta minus of pi by 2 minus 2 theta. So alpha equal to minus 2 theta minus pi by 2 plus 2 theta. So 2 theta get cancelled. 2 theta get cancelled. Therefore alpha equal to pi by 2. So here also given pair of curves intersects orthogonally. Now problem T. R equal to 4 into secant square of theta by 2 and R equal to 9 into cosecant square of theta by 2. Solution. So as usual, given R equal to 4 into secant square of theta by 2 and R equal to 9 into cosecant square of theta by 2. Cosecant square of theta by 2. Taking log on both sides. Log R equal to, I can write this directly, log 4 plus log secant square of theta by 2, that is 2 log of secant of theta by 2. Similarly here log r equal to log 9 plus 2 log of cosecant of theta by 2. Differentiating with respect to theta. Since we have used properties of log and expression is simple, you can directly differentiate. Log r differentiating 1 by r into dr by d theta equal to log 4 ಗೆ 0 plus 2 into 1 by secant of theta by 2 into derivative of secant of theta is secant theta into tan theta alva, secant of theta by 2 into tan of theta by 2 into 1 by 2. So I'll do this one separately, insufficient space here, so I'll do it separately. Okay, 2 get cancelled. Now you get cot phi 1 equal to cot phi 1. Yes, here secant theta by 2 get cancelled, right? Cot phi 1 equal to tan of theta by 2. But tan of theta by 2 can be written as cot of pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Therefore phi 1 equal to pi by 2 minus theta by 2. Now similarly, let us come to this one. Log r, I will do that one here. So differentiating with respect to theta, 1 by r into dr by d theta equal to log 9, you get 0 on differentiation, 2 divided by cosecant of theta by 2 into minus cosecant of theta by 2 into cot of theta by 2 into 1 by 2. So 2 get cancelled here. So I remain with cot phi 2 equal to, yes, cosecant also cancels, right? Minus cot of theta by 2. But as I said already, minus cot theta equal to cot of minus theta. So this I can write as cot of minus theta by 2. So phi 2 equal to minus theta by 2. So we got phi 1 and phi 2. We got phi 1 and phi 2. Hence the angle of intersection is, the angle of intersection is alpha equal to modulus of phi 1 minus phi 2. That implies alpha equal to pi by 2 minus theta by 2 minus of minus theta by 2 alva. So theta by 2 minus theta by 2, okay, minus of minus theta by 2, yes. So alpha equal to modulus of pi by 2 minus theta by 2 plus theta by 2. So theta by 2 get cancelled. Okay, sorry. So alpha equal to pi by 2. Hence the given pair of curves intersects orthogonally. Then there is one more. I think A, B, C, D, E. R equal to A into e power theta and R into e power theta equal to B. R equal to A into e power theta and R into e power theta equal to B. Solution. Given R equal to A into e power theta and R into e power theta equal to B. Taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides, it will be log r equal to log a plus log e power theta, and this side log r plus log e power theta equal to log b. See, exponential function and inverse log functions, they are inverse of each other. That is, log e is 1, log e power x will be x only. Similarly, e power log x will be x only. So they are inverse of each other. E cancels log. So this side log r equal to log a, that I'll write as it is, plus log e power theta is just theta. Similarly, this side log r plus log e power theta, that is just theta, equal to 0. Now differentiating with respect to theta. Differentiating with respect to theta. What we get? 1 by r into dr by d theta equal to log a 0 plus 1. So from this cot phi 1 equal to 1. Here 1 by r into dr by d theta plus 1 equal to 0. So plus 1 you can take on right hand side. So cot phi 2 equal to minus 1. Now here you can't find phi 1 and phi 2 explicitly. That is not impossible, but that is bit lengthy. Instead of that, thus cot phi 1 into cot phi 2 equal to 1 into minus 1. Therefore, given pair of curves intersects orthogonally. So finally, BCDF, as I said already, r equal to a times of 1 plus sin theta. ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಿ ಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು a times of 1 minus sin theta. Now let us try to solve this. So similar to this, we have solved problem A, but here the technique will be different. Solution given r equal to a times of 1 plus sin theta, and again r equal to a times of 1 minus sin theta. Taking log on both sides and simplifying the expressions, taking log on both sides, will get log r equal to log of a times of 1 plus sin theta, and here log r equal to log of a times of 1 minus sin theta. So here log r equal to log a plus log of 1 plus sin theta, and similarly here log r equal to log a plus log of 1 minus sin theta. Now differentiating both sides with respect to theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, I'll get 1 by r into dr by d theta equal to 1 by 1 plus sin theta into derivative sin theta is cos theta, and this side 1 by r into dr by d theta equal to 0 plus, in the denominator 1 minus sin theta into derivative of minus sin theta, get minus cos theta. Now finding if you take card phi 1 equal to something and simplifying, that will be difficult actually. So from this one, whatever you can do is cot phi 1 equal to cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. ಹೌದಾ? Similarly, cot phi 2 equal to minus cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta. Sorry, 1 minus sin theta it is. Now you can observe here 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta will be 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos square theta. So here also cos theta into cos theta you get. So cot phi 1 dot cot phi 2, product of cot phi 1 and cot phi 2 will be cos theta divided by 1 plus sin theta into minus cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. So it will be cos square theta in the numerator with the negative sign, 1 minus sin square theta. We know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So from that 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So whether you use that relation in numerator or denominator, whatever it may be, you get minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta. You get cot phi 1 into cot phi 2 equal to minus 1, proving that given pair of curves intersects orthogonally. So with this, the discussion on showing the given pairs of curves intersects orthogonally is ended up. In the next class, we shall discuss how to find the angle of intersection. In here, we have considered only the curves whose angle of intersection is pi by 2. Next class, we shall consider it generally.